Meet Method, a CRM designed for businesses using QuickBooks and rated the #1 CRM by QuickBooks users and pro advisors. Method's powerful combination of a two-way QuickBooks sync and customizable platform allows you to streamline your business from lead to repeat and anything in between. Collect and close more deals by streamlining lead management. For example, easily get leads into Method with a web-to-lead form, which turns your website visitors into CRM leads that are only sent to QuickBooks when they become paying customers. Method will instantly notify the sales rep of the new lead and automatically create a sales opportunity, log an activity, and create a follow-up task so you never have to worry about potential business slipping through the cracks. Once you've won a new customer, automated workflows allow you to service customers, send out invoices, and receive payment in fewer steps involving fewer team members. Simply click a button to convert a lead into a customer, which triggers Method to sync that customer with QuickBooks. Similarly, an invoice can be created from an estimate with a click of a button. And customers can view their invoices through Method's customer portal, where they can make payments online. And of course, these payments are mirrored in QuickBooks. Turning customers into loyal repeat business is made easier with consolidated relationship and transaction data in Method. Review past transactions, view balances, or create a reminder to touch base with a customer after a sale. A complete view of each customer's history means that every customer will receive world-class service no matter who picks up the phone. And the Method platform is customizable. You can finally have a system made just for your unique business. Add custom fields, create a personalized workflow, customize existing sales reports, or create an entirely new app on Method's platform. With Method's code-free, customizable platform, the possibilities are endless. But don't take it from us. Thousands of Method customers love what customization brings to their business. Our QuickBooks certified team is here to help get you started. So start your free trial today to streamline your business from lead to repeat and anything in between.